Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today I show you how you can create the configurator in just 3 minutes by using the combination platform. But before we start, you need to have two things ready. First, you need to have access to the combination platform. If you don't have it yet, simply sign up at combination.com. And second, you need to have a 3D model. For this demo, I'm happy that we can use the 3D model of our customer KPM. It's a coffee cup. Let's go. And here we are at portal.combination.com and we log in with our credentials. The first thing we do is under Assets, we create a new bundle. It's called Demo Cup. And here I just upload my 3D model. And as soon as it's done, you see the structure of this 3D model in different areas. And you can tag them. I tag it with the tag lid, this, and not just for the ledge, but also for the cap. The lid is right here. Yeah, so I tagged these both. And we're already done with the assets, and we go to drafts and create a new configurator. We call it demo and step into it. The first thing that we need to do is to assign the right assets, the asset bundle that we just need. Done. And now I go to the design component and I create a control for the 3D viewer. And here it is. And it already loads the 3D model that we uploaded. And I make it screen filling. And here it is. The next thing is I create a component to show and hide the lid. And I call it show lid, put it in here as well. So it's there. It needs to be Boolean, so logic. And as soon as I do it, it's not a number, it's logic. And I just drag and drop these show lid into the design. Here it is, and I want it to be a checkbox. Right now it's in the bottom, but I want it to be at the side, so I change the orientation to horizontal. And here it is, and we can already try it, but nothing happens. So let's make it so that it happens. I create another component where the viewer parameters are done. So in here, I take a code snippet that you find in the documentation where I use the tag. You remember this was the tag I gave to the ledge and the lid. And I want it to depend on that component, show lid. And as soon as I do that, it's already accepted. And in the design, I wire it to the graphics. So I make a new signals and slots. Every time the view parameters change, then this view is given these parameters. Done. So right now, you see it work. And that's it. And you can also try it in the preview. Looks like that. Here we go.